Guys, it's Jaden and I'm back today to show you how to make my adrenal support smoothie. It could help you reduce stress and will nourish your adrenal glands. It's so easy to make, and the best part is it tastes awesome. Let's get started.
Now let's go over the list of organic ingredients for this smoothie. You need 1 banana, 1 cup of kale, half a cup of frozen blueberries, you could use fresh, 3 Brazil nuts for selenium, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 to 2 cups of oat milk depending on how liquid you like your smoothie, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a scoop of collagen protein, 400 milligrams of magnesium in liquid form, and a pinch of Himalayan sea salt. For this recipe, you're going to need a high-speed quality blender. I love my Dash blender. It performs really well and has a very stylish design, as you can see, and I'm all about performance and style for my kitchen gadgets. Okay, so listen up guys, because here comes the hardest part of this recipe. You're going to throw all the ingredients in a blender, you're going to hit the start button, and you're going to let it blend until it's smooth.
Oh my god, yes. So that is my adrenal support smoothie recipe. I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know how it goes down in my comment section. I will go ahead and link all the ingredients and my Dash blender down in the description box. I'll link them to Amazon. That way you can just click and you'll find everything there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would really help me out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will help me expand and grow my channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.